Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Instagram app for Reels and music access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update the Instagram app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, find the App Store icon. For Android users, look for the Google Play Store icon. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Instagram and hit search. Find the official Instagram app in the search results. If there's an update available, you will see an update button. Tap on the update button to begin the downloading process. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth update. Wait for the app to finish updating. Once the update is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the updated version of Instagram. Log into your account if prompted. Now, check if the Reels and music features are accessible. To find the Reels feature, tap on the camera icon in the top left corner. Swipe left at the bottom of the screen to find the Reels option. To explore music options, tap the music icon in the Reels section. This allows you to browse trending music or search for specific tracks. You can now create and share Reels with music. Enjoy exploring your new features on Instagram. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.